Today we're going to continue decoding and spelling multisyllabic words using vowel diphthongs. I know that's a silly word. You will sort words into groups according to their vowel diphthongs. But before we start talking about what a diphthong is, I want you to look at what's in the center of the screen. Those slashes with the two letters between. You often see this in a dictionary, and remember we've talked about before, when you see something like this, it's telling you how to sound something out. Not how to spell something, but how to sound it out. So if I looked at this and I saw these two letters, I would know that the sound would be ah, okay? Now, let's continue. Diphthongs. Very strange word. But let me tell you what a diphthong is. A diphthong is just letter pairs where the vowel sound is different. Okay? Not all vowel sounds are either long vowels or short vowels. We're very familiar with that. A has the long A sound or the A sound. But sometimes vowels don't have the long or short sound. That's when it's a diphthong. The vowel sound is different. You know a diphthong sound because when you say a word with this vowel sound, the position of your mouth changes. Now, I want you to say some things with me. Look at the two letters between the slashes. That is ah. Say that. Ah. Notice how your mouth changes during the sound. Ah, the sound, can come from the diphthong AW and the diphthong AU. The next one, repeat after me. Ow. Again, ow. The OW and the OU vowel pair, which we call diphthongs, make the sound ow. Lastly, we're going to work today with oi. Say it. Oi. The sound oi can come from the vowel pairs OY and OI, or we'll call them diphthongs. Now, just like yesterday, as you saw, the OW, we've invited a consonant in there. So we'll just remember that these are the diphthongs that we are working with today and the sounds that they make. This is the activity that we are going to complete today. You have this assignment in your Google Classroom. In the chart, you have diphthongs, and we are going to work with the syllables containing diphthongs. So just like I presented in the earlier slides, ah, ow, and oi, those sounds created by those diphthongs. So let's look at the examples so far. In the row of ah, AW, and AU diphthongs, we have awful and laundry. The ow sound, OW and OU row. Eyebrow, mountain. On the last row, oi sound, OY, OI diphthongs. Enjoyment, ointment. You're going to complete the rest of the boxes using the words in the word bank. Let me read those for you. Around, August, disappoint, strawberry, however, and royal. Now, if you look at the bottom of your assignment, you're going to have 3 sentences. You are going to read the sentences, and you're going to underline or make a scribble mark around the word or words in each sentence that have a diphthong. Number 1, an earthquake is an awfully scary event. You will put a scribble mark or a line under the word that has a diphthong. 2, stay away from power lines. Stay away from power lines. 3, avoid damaged areas. Now remember, when you're looking at these sentences, you are looking for not only the diphthong, but the diphthong has to make that sound. Ah, ow, oi. Don't be tricked. All right. Complete this task and turn it in.